welcome back to another episode of my vlog. So for today, gusto ko kayong i-tour sa aking project. Nandito tayo ngayon, obviously. And ayan, gusto ko lang i-tour kayo habang bare pa ito. And then, of course, meron tayong reveal. Meron tayong big reveal kung kailan mapapakita ko na sa inyo yung ating design intent and whether nakuha talaga natin siya and achieve natin. So, nandito ko ngayon sa first story ng ating project. Actually, this project is a 3-story residence. Ayun. And then the whole theme for this project is industrial. So, modern industrial tayo dito. And as you can see, sa aking back, nandyan yung ating staircase. Ang ating staircase is metal, made of metal. So, it's going to be a metal staircase with black na railings. Yun. Pakita ko siya sa inyo later sa taas. Makikita niyo yung design ng ating railings. And then, tour ko kayo. So, ito yung ating, medyo mabilis. So, ayan, meron tayong, andyan yung ating main entrance. It will be a solid wood door with electronic key. Yung key doorknob niya. Yun. And then we have a huge window on this side. And then, etong window na to, there is a planter box outside wherein you're going to put all these nice and decorative plants para when you're inside the living space, you can see greeneries dun sa labas. And then, this will be our living, dining, and kitchen space. The whole first story. So, it's an open concept na plan para mas lumaki yung ating space. And sorry sa ating mga pasampay dito. Alam niyo naman yan. Ganyan talaga yan. Ano yan? Isa, part yan ng decorative. Ayun. So, meron tayong, okay, bibigyan ko kayo ng idea kung ano yung gagawin natin for our wall accent. So, ayan. Nandito tayo sa likod ng TV wall accent natin. So, if you can see, itong ating pipe, we're going to box it up. And then, as well as the main panel board. So, two sides would be boxed up, and then we will integrate LED strips for the additional lighting. And then yung, syempre, mahilig tayo sa drama, ay bigyan natin ng drama yung ating wall accent. And then we're going to hang our TV on this side. So the whole wall for this living room is going to be full concrete finish para ma-incorporate yung ating theme for the whole house, which is modern industrial. So, meron tayong TV console underneath the TV. And then, that's going to be our wall accent. And then, of course, dito natin ipupwesto ang ating sofa set. And then, syempre, para mas maraming space na magamit tayo, underneath this staircase, we have provided a small storage. And then, this is the storage space. This will be the door area wherein we're going to conceal it. So, makikita nyo, pag natapos na namin, kung paano natin siya i-conceal and hindi siya mahalata na there's going to be a door for the storage. Ayun. And then, we're going to walk through our dining area. So, ayan. So, sa ating dining area, ito na yung fridge ng owner. So, sa ating dining area, this side, we're going to have a full concrete finish then for their wall. And then, siguro, we're just going to hang some frames, yan, dyan. So, that would be the negative side of the negative wall. Kumbaga, so, yan yung walang masyadong ganap. Yun. And then, beside this dining space, we do have our open area here, wherein we're going to put their washing machine. So, it would be their laundry area. So, service area nila yan. And then, of course, for the first story, we have the powder room. It's actually a toilet and bath na rin siya. And ayun. We have the powder room here on this side. And then, this would be the kitchen area. So, for the kitchen, what we're planning is the ref would be on the side of the stairs. And then, there's the main kitchen on this side, the main counter. And then, we have also proposed a small center island wherein they can prepare. It can serve as their preparation area for their kitchen. So, yun. Kasi malaki din yung ref na nabili ni na client. They wanted a 2-door fridge. Yun. So, yun. I-maximize natin yung space nila so that they have a perfect kitchen. Yun. So, modulars yung ating kitchen. And then, we will be, tapos na yung ating ground floor tour. So, punta na tayo sa second floor. So, as you can see, wala pa pala tayong ceiling. Hindi pa siya nagagawa. So, yun. So, big reveal na natin siya. Ipapakita sa inyo kung ano yung itsura ng ating ceiling. Yan. So, akyat muna ako and then, pakita ko sa inyo ang second story. So, ayan. Nandito na tayo sa second story ng ating bahay. Ay, hindi ko pala ito bahay. Ng ating project. Ayun. So, this house has 6 bedrooms. So, 3 on each floor. So, for the second story, there's 3. And then, the third story, it has 3. All levels have their own toilet and bath. And then, hiningal ako ng very, very light. Punta muna tayo sa first bedroom. So, the first bedroom, ang gusto kasi ni client is yellow. So, ang palette niya is yellow. Color palette niya is yellow. So, we chose this. Of course, we're using Boysen na products for all our painting needs. Yan. So, this one is lemon sponge cake. Yan. Yan yung color code niyan. Lemon sponge cake. So, 3 walls have yellow na paint. And then, of course, since this is the master bedroom, pinabongga natin siya ng konti. So, ayan. Makikita nyo, there's going to be cove lighting dun sa bedroom na ito. Ayan. And then, of course, mayroon tayong pa-accent walls. Kasi, sa master bedroom, usually naglalagay tayo ng TV. Yan. So, minsan gusto natin may TV tayo sa sariling bedroom. Yan. So, what we did is, we made this as their accent wall. Usually, di ba, nasa headboard ng bed. So, this one, we turned it around since gusto ni client magkaroon ng TV sa kanyang master bedroom. So, ayan. It's going to be yellow pa rin. And then on the middle, it's going to be a lighter shade of yellow. And then, of course, since industrial yung ating theme for the whole house, the master bedroom should also incorporate something that is industrial. So, yung ating wall accent, meron siyang faux concrete finish din. So, hindi pa yan yung final ha. So, ano pa lang siya, first pa lang siya. So, papakita ko siya sa inyo pag final na rin siya. Ayun. So, we need to go to the next room na. Pero, hinga lang akong konti. Ayan. Medyo mahirap pag naka-mask eh, pero it's a must. So, yun. So, nandito tayo sa toilet area. Medyo madilim pa siya kasi hindi pa namin nakakabit yung mga ilaw. So, next time pakita ko siya sa inyo. And then, we have the bedroom number 2. So, for the bedroom number 2, we have a loft bed. So, ayan. For this bedroom 2, actually 3 bedrooms are with, sorry, 3 bedrooms are with loft bed. So since small kasi yung area nung rooms, nag-propose tayo ng mga loft bed for all their bedrooms. So that, of course, nandiyan yung bed nila. And then underneath is their study table. And then on this side, it would be their wardrobe. Ayun. So para ma-maximize nila yung space. So, ang ating loft bed is actually sobrang tibay nito. Kahit maglambitin ka dyan, hindi yan babagsak. Yun. So next time, siguro, I'm going to share with you kung paano namin ginagawa yung mga metalworks naman namin. Yun. So, ang color nitong magiging room na to is grayish brown. Yun yung accent wall niya, grayish brown. And then for the others, it would be light gray. Ayun. So, the last bedroom for this floor is this small room. This is the smallest room, wherein at first they actually wanted this to be converted into a music room. Ang good size room naman siya. And then, yun. Etong bedroom thing, yun. Parang, it's either they're going to use it as a music room, or a storage room, or another room. They're not decided on this room, the use of this room yet. So, for all the doors, hindi pa siya finish. Naka-first coat pa lang siya. This one is going to be a dark brown. So, all the doors would be dark brown. Ayan. So, this is the railing that I'm telling you about. That's going to be the railing downstairs on all the, hindi lang pala downstairs. This would be the design for the stair railing. So, ayan. Naka-primer pa lang siya. We're using Boys and Epoxy Primer Gray. And then, we're going to paint it again with a black. So, all these are black. And then, of course, yung top rail natin, it would be dark brown. Yan. So, we're not going to use any timber handrail anymore. We're just going to use the metal and then paint it brown. Yan. So, that wire naman, that's the abang for the wall lamp. Yan, for the staircase, a 3-way wall lamp. So, ayan, akit naman tayo sa ating third floor. So, sa hallway, of course, meron tayong pa natural light and natural vent. Yan, importante yan. Tapos, of course, we have provided screen para kahit bukas siya lagi, screen naman. So, no insects or mosquitoes will come here. So, akit na tayo. Next time ko na lang papakita sa inyo yung ating staircase dahil hindi pa siya tapos. Yun. So, dito na tayo sa third floor. As I said earlier, same thing, same layout then as the second floor. Only this one has a balcony. Yun. So, we go to the first bedroom. Ito si bedroom number 4. So, si bedroom number 4, he just wanted it neutral. So, it's going to be light gray. Light gray and then brown door. And also, a faux concrete finish na accent wall. So, hindi pa siya tapos. May naayos pa kami sa wall na to. Yan. And then, this would be the finish of the all the doors. Ito na yung magiging finish niya. Dark brown. Ay, sa wakas mahangin. So, ayan. So, nandito, pasok muna tayo sa ating balcony. So, ito yung ating balcony. Yan. Yan. Yung ating railing, ganyan. And then, may banderitas. Ayan. So, ayan. Punta na tayo sa bedroom number 5. So, for the bedroom number 5, it's going to be the same layout as bedroom number 2 downstairs. So, it has loft bed din. And then, yun. Study table below, and then the wardrobe on this side. And then, meron din siyang window. Nasa din ng hangin. Yan. So, integrated din yan ng screen. So, yung ating last bedroom, this would be another loft bed type. So, it's going to be hanging loft bed talaga. There's no legs for this one except for the ladder. So, ito. Nakahang siya. Yan. Ongoing pa eh. So, makikita mo pa yung dumi niya. Yan. So, yan yung ating magiging loft bed. So, since this is the smallest, single bed lang, single mattress lang yung ilalagay niya here. And then, the study table will be near the window. Yun. And then, his wardrobe will be under the loft bed. So, it's not going to be a full height wardrobe. Sorry, against the light. So, ayun, hindi siya magiging full height wardrobe. Pero, good size siya. Tignan nyo. Kasyang-kasya ko. My height is, my height is 5'2". So, as you can see, haba pa yun. Malaki. Sorry, my site is actually very, very near to the airport. Kaya, every time there's, take off ng mga airplanes, you can hear everything. Ayan. So, anyway, I'm 5'2", and ayan, ang laki pa ng space niya. So, this loft bed is actually 1.75 meter high. So, yan. Good height siya for the owner din kasi, of course, sinukat muna natin yan. As per request kasi yan yung owner, syempre, di ba? So, ayun. Yun yung ating kabuuan ng house tour na bare pa. So, ayun. So, ito yung ating toilet. So, same layout din siya as downstairs. Hindi ka lang siya makita. Ayan. So, wala pang ilaw. Kinakabit pa lang. So, yan. Anyway, next time, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung magiging itsura ng ating toilet. Yan. So, tatlo yung toilet natin. 6 na bedroom. And then, good size living, dining, and kitchen space. A small balcony to, to hang out for a while yun. A small balcony. And then we do have a laundry area. So, complete itong bahay na to. And this one is around 45 or 50 square meters sa lot area. Ayun. So, ayan. Hopefully, matapos na namin siya, and then excited na akong i-reveal yung ating final na look for this house. And ayun, yung mga tao, mapapansin mo na wala. Medyo pinalabas ko muna sila. Ayun, break time kasi nila. So, it's my opportunity naman para magdadala dito. Ayun. So, yun lang. I hope na ma-excite din kayo katulad ko for the big reveal. And yun lang. Hi guys! Nandito na tayo sa bahay and sorry kung naririnig niyo yung background. Si Parker yun. So, yun. Sinasamahan niya kasi ako na mag-tsaa muna. So, ayun lang. Parker, come here. Come on. Show yourself. You know, look oh. You say bye. Bye. No, not that one. Say bye. Parker, Parker here. Say bye. Bye. Sana nagustuhan niyo yung ating vlog for today. And please, samahan niyo ako sa susunod na vlog wherein i-reveal na natin yung ating interior and exterior nung project na yon. And ayun lang. Thank you sa lahat ng mga nanonood and also salamat sa mga new subscribers natin. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell to keep you updated every time I upload. So ayun lang. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!